Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appel, and we're going to do this example. So this should look familiar. This is a quadratic in vertex form, so you should know the vertex is just your h and your k, or if you're thinking about it in terms of transformations, if your parent quadratic has its vertex at 0, 0, and then we're moving it 4 units to the right and 3 units up, that's our new vertex. So the coordinates of vertex are simply 4, 3. The axis of symmetry is the imaginary line that goes right through the vertex. So that's simply the line x equals 4. So far nothing too fancy. But now we've got this new focus and directrix business to contend with. So the key here is that the focus is P away from the vertex. And P can be determined, well, backing up a step, A is 1 over 4 times that distance. And so A is 1 over 4P. Well, in this example, A is 2. So 2 is 1 over 4P, and we're just going to solve that for P. So I'll multiply both sides by 4P, and we get 8P is 1, and divide by 8, and so P is 1/8. So remember, P is the distance that the focus is from the vertex, and also the distance that the directrix is from the vertex. I know this graph is going to open up because it's a positive leading coefficient, because that A is positive. And so the focus is going to be 1/8 above the vertex. I'm actually going to back up a step and just kind of sketch what this graph is going to look like. We know this is going to be a parabola that's kind of skinny, that's doing something like that. So the focus, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, is going to be 1/8 above the vertex. So that's going to be, let me change color so we can see it a little better. That's going to be, right about there. And then the directrix, remember the focus and the directrix are equidistant from the vertex. So the directrix is going to be 1/8 below that. So it's going to be the vertical line that's just below that. So the focus is 1/8 above that. So if that point right there, the vertex is at 4, 3, then the focus, which is just right there, is going to be at 4 and 3 and 1/8. And so that's the location of the focus. And then the directrix is going to be 1/8 below that. So that's going to be the line y equals 2 and 7/8. And so that's your focus. That's the equation of your directrix. And that's all for now. Thanks.